The mustache. It is becoming a problem. Let's fix it. Hey everyone, welcome back to The Bearded Journey. I am your host, Scott Barnes, and today we're gonna be attacking the mustache. And in particular, I wanna style out the mustache and shape the mustache to fit my style a little bit better. We're kind of getting a little more robust when it comes to the growth. So I kind of want to bring it back a little bit, shape it up, and style it out. Now to make this fast, I want to get out my clippers and my scissors. We're going to start with the clippers first. I want to pick a right guard to where we want to go to, and I'm going to pick a number 5 on the guard. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, and we're just going to start trimming away. I feel like I'm in a war zone every time I cut my mustache. You get hairs flying everywhere. And remember, it helps to go in different angles. With the guard, it's gonna create a little bit of a space problem, so we're gonna have to go left, right, up, down, all the way around. Now, I know things are a little wonky, but we're gonna have to blend everything out. So we're gonna go in advanced mode. We're gonna take out off our guard. We're gonna turn our clippers on. We're gonna put the clippers on our mustache, and we're just gonna go ahead and ride up. And this, we're using the length of our mustache and we're riding up, and that gives us an even barrier in between the bottom of the lip and the top of the lip, so everything's nice and even. Now, let's take out our scissors and we're gonna start riding the lip. This is gonna give us a style that matches up our lip to the stash, because I want a little bit of a handlebar, but I want things to be nice and even when it brings the mustache down to the beard. So we're gonna take our scissors, make sure you're hitting the right angle, and we're gonna start clipping away. All right, once we're done, we're gonna take the clippers out one more time. We're gonna ride the lip. And we're just gonna get all of the dead space around. So any of those wispy hairs that are coming down that we missed, this is a great tool to have to get those in between hairs. Now I know I trimmed off a lot of my mustache, but there was a point where food was actually getting in the side of the mustache. It was getting in the top. And to me, that is a telltale sign that I need to start trimming it up. And if I'm gonna trim it up, I wanna make it nice and neat. So this is a good way to style out your mustache in between. And what we're gonna do is, we're actually gonna take our comb, we're gonna comb out our beard and our soul patch, and we'll comb out our hair, and everything should look nice and neat. So with that being said, you guys, like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you like always, and I will see you on the flip side. See you.